Hi there, this is Dr. Raymond Connors from Australia, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about my new course, Business English for Beginners, from a low level so that everybody can understand and start at the very beginning. Yes, we have a short course of 5 different lessons, all on video. The first lesson is, this is what I do at work, and what does it involve? Let me have a look. You'll be able to explain professionally what you do at your work. Lesson number 2, my working day, to be able to describe your work schedule in detail. And lesson number 3, my first day at work, contains vocabulary about professions, industries and sectors of industry and how to talk about them. The next lesson, number 4, the equipment that's at my office. You'll be able to talk about the things that are in your office, what they're used for, who uses them and what the results are. And lesson number 5 is a review of the first week, my first week at my new office. A complete rounding of the whole thing at an elementary level. So, let's have a look. Let's see what each lesson involves. Not only do we have all these particularly different vocabulary building exercises, etc., but each lesson involves some reading, and each lesson involves some writing. Each one involves some listening, some of it in a rather unique way, and also quite a lot of speaking, believe it or not, and lots of pronunciation practice so that you speak clearly and precisely. And each lesson contains homework, which I expect you will do. Okay, so let's not let the opportunity get away. Here we have right before us a 5-lesson course on Business English for Beginners. Okay, now check out the course curriculum. You'll see, as I promised, the first lesson will be completely free. You will see it's got a trigger that says review. It's available for the whole lesson. So review the lesson. If you like it, sign up and take the rest of the lessons. And if you don't like it, well, see you later. So let's not be a dopey bee. Let's go. Let's start today.